the hell are you looking?
Oh, almost.
Yeah, that is right.
What? Oh, get out of the way, bitch.
Oh, that is right. Right there.
Here is my wiener again, my friend. Tell her I have a huge booger in my nose. God, it is fucking huge.
Oh my God.
My friend, that is the big hot news for today. I need to cut today's episode short, my friend, because seriously, bro, I have turtle head poking out. I need to go take one shit, my friend. Charles, my friend, what is your problem? Who? Who in the fuck did I just call, my friend? Who? Pee-wee. Pee-wee, what in the hell?
Almost got it. Oh my God. There we go.
Oh, hey, my friend. I'm kicking his ass. No! No! Oh my God. Oh, fuck. Oh God. Dude, you just broke the You need to go buy.
Oh God.
You need to go buy a new game, my friend. You over there, come here. Fuck you too. Fuck you very much. Fuck you very much. Fuck you very much. Fuck you very much. Fuck you very much.